guys, today I'm making a car video. These are all the toy cars. I bet I still have them in like somewhere else. My dad just found these, so I want to make a video of it. So yeah, it's the bugs. Okay, see you guys. I'm joking. Don't cut the video. Don't cut the video. And you guys will know I won't do like a 25-second video. Okay. I think most people know Hot Wheels cars because everyone calls it. Yeah, I don't know. I think I got this from the McDonald's Happy Meal, and I will do it. So yeah, he's driving that. No, he's actually gonna park a bit. I might be able to park all the cars. Okay, that's the first one. The second one. The second one is going to be this one. I don't know. I know what I just got because I just saw it. So yeah, let me first read it. Yeah. Whoa, when was this made? This car was made in 2001. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? The car just nearly fell off the thingy table. It just stayed on. Okay. This won't even be able to park. I'll just put it on top of you. Yeah, that's better, guys. So, yeah. On to... Whoa! Look what just happened. Okay. Okay. Oh, what's this one? Let's see when this one was made. 1998. Oh, I think one of the wheels stopped working on this. Look at it. Let's look at it. Hot Wheels. Let me just try and make the camera focus. Wait, I think it won't. Wait, I need to find. I know, yeah, it is. Let me make it focus. There you go. Bet you guys can't even read that. I'll get on the silver one. So let's see if this. Oh, I might put it that way. So they got that. Let's start off here again. Oh, bye. Bye. Hey, come on, you boy. There you go. That's better, guys. There you go. Just put it right over here. Okay. To the next one. Okay, I got one. Oh, this one's not a Hot Wheel, guys. So yeah, but this might fall off the table. That's why. Wait, I want to actually let it go. Even if wait, first I'll show you. So yeah, this is it. Tyco or something. Okay, bye. Whee! Okay, to the next one. Ooh, this one looks nice. Oh, sorry about not showing you. Focus. Focus. I'm going to show you that one properly. Focus. I'm trying to make the camera focus. Blood. Focus. Yeah, this is focus mode. Oh, the dust. That's just dust. This car's kind of really weird. Because it says Pepsi. If you guys can see. Tell me if I'm wrong, if this does not say Pepsi. Can't actually see it properly. Let me see. Can you guys see? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not sure. Pepsi. Pepsi, yeah. And let's see if you can see the Hot Wheel. Look at the light. Here you go. Face reveal, choke another. Might do it, then yeah. Tap. Focus. Focus, focus. Whoa, what the? Okay. Tell me if the camera just went crazy. Because I start tapping stuff. Okay, I'm not gonna park it anymore. Ooh, whoa, this one looks nice. I never knew I got. Oh, they're made by Melissa Metal. Wait, it is a Hot Wheel car. I was gonna just say it's not a Hot Wheel. Look how it looks really good. Yeah, that's the bottom. Look at the wheels; they're orange. Just look at it. Just look at the gold. Just look at it. Oh my gosh, the gold is plastic. Okay, that might have been loud for you guys. What's this? I think this car my friend gave me in my old primary school. My second primary school. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, it's a Hot Wheel cup. Yeah, something chipped off the Hot Wheel part. I think I forgot to return this to my friend when I was in primary school. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna not mix it up. Look at this. Wait. Yes. Wait, what did I say? 2-star. Is this a Hot Wheel brand? Yeah. I think this is how the old Hot Wheel logos look like. Just have a new car race. And yeah. Okay, I might show you the rest. And this one did not look that good. But it's a Hot Wheel. It does not look like. I don't know. Maybe you guys like it. I have tech decks. Oh, and tell me in the comments if you want me to play Forza Horizon, Minecraft, or Skate 3, or I'm not sure, or GTA 5. Please actually leave a comment this time. Like last time I just asked if you guys want me to play GTA video, you guys said nothing. So please tell me this time. I've got Halo 4. I still have more cards, by the way. Yeah, I might tell you the others at the end. I'll just come to back up. Yes. That one did not need a good look through. Oh yeah. No, I'm just gonna see. But this is not it. I just want to give you the stupidest one. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, this one. And this one is actually a light up one. And yeah, it's a Hot Wheel. And this is a Hot Wheel thingy, and it can open. Look, guys, just look, guys, look. It opens. I'll see you guys. See you tomorrow, or maybe. Guys, worry about the flop. Stop. Because something fell on the floor. Yeah, something fell on the floor. Joking. I picked up that toy that fell off the floor, so I cutted it. So yeah, let's get to the last car. OMG, looks so pretty. Okay, now I'll tell you what games I could play for my video. Horizon, maybe Battlefield, Maybe Hillary? No. Maybe if my sister wants to play, we might do another video. So we have no. I could do a video of GTA. If you guys don't want me to, or want me to, just tell me. I'm just repeating what I said in the long video. And yeah, this car is my favorite car. And look, just look at this amazing stuff. Look, it's not amazing. It's stupid. So yeah, look at it. Open up. So I just move my camera down, and now you can go. Joking. Go. No, you can do that to yourself, you monkey. You just thought you doop nugget. Yeah. That's my new word. If I'm about to swear, I just say goof nugget. So, yeah. Here's all my cars. Woo! And my favorite car. And thumbs up for this drink. I like this drink. I finished it yesterday. My mum wanted some. I had to drink it all up. So yeah. Bye guys. And let the light be with you. Wait, let the light be. That wasn't the ending because I need to start. Because boo this in the comments. This chocolate. It's not that really good one. It's like really bad chocolate. I'm going to taste it because my brother and sister said it's bad. I'm going to taste it. Oh, I'm scared to taste it. I'm going to taste it though. That's 2 of my videos. I've already got 2 taste tests. Oh, what? That chocolate was bad. I'm sorry about the stuff. I had to run, get water, spit it in the bin, and now I came upstairs because the gas people came because something was a problem with that gas. And now I'm gonna upload the video. So let the light be with you. Light.